guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the clothing items that I shopped for from Amazon. So I ordered 7 kurtis and full suits from Amazon for 7 days of Diwali. Now I love wearing Indian clothes during the entire week of Diwali and I wanted one new outfit for each day. So I ordered 7 clothes for 7 days of Diwali. Now before I begin with showing you everything that's inside these packages and do a try on haul and everything, I just want to quickly mention that Amazon is running a huge sale on their website as well as on their app, and they have discounts up to 70% off on all items including fashion and beauty items. So I recommend you do all of your Diwali shopping from Amazon itself because you're gonna get amazing discounts, amazing deals, and the prices are gonna be insane. So without any further ado, let me quickly begin with today's haul and show you everything that's in here. I haven't even opened any of this yet, so I'm gonna do that right away. Okay, the first item that I got is this bag. Now I'm gonna show you all the clothes later. First, let me just show you this bag. So that is how the bag looks like. It's sort of an Indo-Western bag. I love how it looks and it's gonna go so well with all of the Indian outfits that I ordered. I really needed a bag to, go with all of the outfits. That's why I went for tan color in this. This is available in a lot of other colors as well, so you can shop for whichever color that matches your outfit. And I got this below rupees 500. That's how affordable it was, and the quality of this is like really nice. The material is really good, and the best part is that it comes with 2 zips over here and 1 zip at the back, so it's got a lot of storage capacity as well. Also, it has an adjustable sling belt, so you can make it as long or as short as you want. So moving on to the actual clothes, the first piece that I got is this one. It's a kurti and that is how it looks like. I absolutely love the sea green color, and it's got all of this mirror work going on the front. It has bandhani print throughout the outfit, and it's a very nice A-line fit kurti. The material is really nice and it's really soft and it's cotton. The next item that I got is this one. Now this is again a kurti and that is how it looks like. It's green in color and I really love the color. It's got this yellow white print going on throughout. And again, it's an A-line kurti. The material is really soft and it's cotton. I'm opening the next parcel now. So in here we have this full suit. The kurti is in such a nice bright pink color. It's an A-line kurti and it's got this detailing going on the sleeve. And along with this, that is how the bottom looks like. It's the same color bottom, again like plain bright pink color, and it's got this same detailing going on the bottom. And since the entire suit is so plain, the dupatta is slightly heavy. So that is how the dupatta looks like. It's got this border and then it's got these tiny prints all over. I really love the bright pink color of the suit. I really love how simple yet classy it looks. The material of all of the pieces is cotton and it's really soft and it's body hugging. So the next piece is this one. That is how the top looks like. I absolutely love the pastel color that's going on, and it's got this floral print all over. And it comes with a matching set of bottoms. That is how the bottoms look like. They are straight fit pants, and the material and the color of the top and the bottom is just the same, so you can call it like an Indian coordinate set. The material is soft, it's cotton. The next piece that I got is this one. It's a very colorful one. So that is how it looks like. It's a kurti. It's got all of this floral print going on like throughout, and it's a very nice flowy kurti. And the material of this is sort of khadi cotton. It's really soft and I really enjoy wearing this kind of a material. It's so soft, it's so body hugging, it's so comfortable, and you're not even gonna sweat a lot in this material. That is how good it is. Like in one of my previous hauls, I got a kurti of the exact same material and it was so comfortable. That's why I went for this kind of material again, and I absolutely love how beautiful this looks. The next item that I got is this. Again, it's a kurti and it's so bright and it's so colorful, and I really love the print, the colors, the design and everything that's going on. It's got these buttons on the front, if you can see, and it's sort of got this Chinese collar thing going on. And this is a very flowy kurti. It's sort of like an anarkali and it's really long. The material, again, it's really soft, it's cotton, and it's really body hugging. And the seventh and the last item is this one. Again, it's a full suit, and that is how the top looks like. It's black and it's got these tie-ups on the neck, and the material is really nice and soft, and it comes with these red bottoms. So these are like palazzos, and they are not very wide and not very narrow. These two go together so well because it's got this red print going on, so it's like a contrast color, and I think these would look really good together. The material of the kurti is really nice, it's soft and it's cotton, but the material of the palazzo is, it's just so soft to touch. I just cannot wait to wear it. Like, it's going to be really comfortable. That's how soft it feels when I touch it. So yes, those are all of the kurtis and full suits that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna wear all of these 7 outfits on the 7 days of Diwali, like throughout the week of Diwali. It's gonna be a blast because I have one new outfit for each day. So if you want to do your Diwali shopping, I highly recommend you log on to Amazon, check out their sale, because the discounts that they're offering are crazy. The prices are so competitive, and the material, the quality, everything of Amazon is amazing. I also did not face any issues during the delivery of all of these items. They literally arrived in just 3 days. That is how quick and convenient the delivery was, and all of the pieces arrived really safely. So I highly recommend you check out Amazon sale, and also check out all of the offers that they keep running every single day. And they also have a lot of coupon codes, so make sure that you check out their sale page. You're gonna get all of the discounts, all of the information, everything on there. So yeah, that is my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.